How to use Robinhood's retirement account or IRA. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to use Robinhood's retirement account. Now, to use Robinhood's retirement account, you could set up your IRA first of all. So you need to link your Robinhood and external bank account to the retirement dashboard. So for that, you need to go ahead and log into your Robinhood account, and at the top of the page, you could see retirement section. So when you go to this page, it's going to take a couple of seconds a couple of minutes in order to proceed on. Now click the get started button at the bottom of the page. Now you could see that individual account required, so you could either go ahead and sign up or sign in. So click on that and click on the options that is gonna take you to the next field. So next thing, what you want to do is you just have to go ahead and click on get started at the bottom of the page. Once you've actually done it, so moving on, you have to go ahead and fill out all of the documents and all that. Now first, so for your reference, you can contribute per tax dollar to your IRA, and so you can contribute up to $7,000 or $8,000 if you're 50 years or older. And likewise, if you want to go with the investment, then you can invest in a stock, bond, mutual funds, and EFTs. To set up a recurring investment, you can. So that's how it's worked. So that's how you could use your Robinhood retirement account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.